Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Amanda Renee and we are at the end of 2023, which means it is time for a product empties video. So if you're interested in seeing that video, keep on watching. Now I only have hair care products and I do have products from each category. However, it will just be randomized this year. So the first product that I will start off with is the Talia Wajid Clean and Curly Hydrating Shampoo. Now this shampoo was really a moisturizing shampoo, and a little went a very long way. I loved the lather and I loved how well it cleaned my hair, and those are things that I look for in a cleansing product. So that was really something that drew me to finishing the product. And yes, I will repurchase this. I believe it is on the affordable side of things, so this is really a great shampoo if you are looking for a brand that is woman owned and founded. Definitely check this shampoo out. Next we have the Flora and Curl Hydrate Me Rose Water and Honey Molasses Moisture Mask. I absolutely loved this mask. Absolutely 100%. 100%. The only sad thing about it is that it isn't available in the Caribbean. It is a UK brand. However, I will recommend this to anyone because a little went a very long way, one, and two, the hydration that I got from this product was amazing, and three, it's botanical hair care. It's on the more natural side of things. So why wouldn't you want to pick up a deep conditioner that is vegan friendly? Why wouldn't you? I have no complaint for this deep conditioner, and I will repurchase this if it is available in the Caribbean, or if I'm able to get it at a very decent price. I did get this in a giveaway and I absolutely don't regret it at all. So yes, definitely repurchase this or definitely reuse this. So keeping in the Flora and Curl line, I have here the Hydrate Me Rose Water and Honey Cream Shampoo. This shampoo actually took some time to get used to because one, it didn't have that much sud, and I was wondering if it was just the batch that was sent out, but I didn't particularly like this product too much. Yes, it did cleanse my hair, but there wasn't much slip, and I felt like my hair was being stripped unnecessarily. It didn't feel hydrating to me at all compared to the Clean and Curly shampoo from Talia Wajid. This did not feel moisturizing at all. However, it did clean my hair, so I would give it that. But based on the fact that it didn't necessarily moisturize my hair, I wouldn't necessarily repurchase this because you say it's a Hydrate Me shampoo and it doesn't hydrate my hair. I'm not buying it again, or I'm not getting it again. This was also given in the giveaway package that I got from Floor and Curl, but I would not reuse this again if I had the opportunity to. Probably if they had a different formula, but nah, definitely a no for me. Okay, so the next product that I have here is the Talia Wajid Clean and Natural Herbal Hair Wash, and this was a clarifying shampoo, and let me tell you, it was a clarifying shampoo. And I love that when I have buildup on my hair, I really love a good clarifying shampoo, and this did its job very well. Didn't strip my hair too badly because there was still some moisture that I got in the end, but when I say that it cleaned my hair, it cleaned my hair. And this is again on the affordable side of natural hair care. So if you're looking for a clarifying shampoo which is from a brand that is again woman owned and woman founded, definitely check this shampoo out, and based on that I will definitely be repurchasing this. Not right now, but it's definitely a repurchase for me. So moving on, we have here the Maui Moisture Lightweight Hydration plus Hibiscus Water Shampoo, and it said it's for all hair types, and this is what the package looks like. First off, I love the smell. I loved the smell of this shampoo, and the hydration, it wasn't that hydrating, but it also wasn't stripping, so there was a kind of balance, and it did cleanse my hair. However, I don't think I would repurchase this. It's not my first option for a moisturizing shampoo, but I did enjoy my experience using this shampoo, but this is definitely not a repurchase for me at the present moment. Okay, so now we have here the African Pride Black Castor Miracle Growth Protection Formula Braid and Scalp Cleansing Rinse. I've had this for a while, but I didn't really use it much until this year in particular, or when I had my braids for a while. So this braid and scalp cleansing rinse was very good for cleaning my scalp. I really loved how my hair felt to the peppermint oil in it. It definitely felt refreshed afterwards, and I love the fact that it had a nozzle as well, and also the fact that it went onto my hair very easily, so I can definitely appreciate that. And I also find that African Pride is on the affordable side of products, so I would definitely recommend this braid and scalp cleansing rinse to anybody, and I would definitely repurchase this. So this is definitely a repurchase for me. This next product that I have here is the Cream of Nature Aloe and Black Castor Oil Reconstructing Anti-Breakage Leave-In Conditioner. I didn't really like this product too much. It's just the fact that you claim you're an anti-breakage leave-in, but my hair didn't have that much slip, and whenever I used a detangling tool like my white tooth comb or even my fingers. I just had a really hard time going through my hair, but it wasn't that bad a product. It was probably my ends that made it even more difficult for the product to do its job. But I really wouldn't recommend this product. Yes, it was on the more affordable side of products, but I just wouldn't really recommend this product to anybody because it's just not worth the hype that it has. The anti-breakage leave-in, I don't think it's worth the hype. Things don't work for everybody, and that is completely fine. So the second to last product that I have here is the Aunt Jackie's Curls and Coils Frizz Patrol Anti-Poof Setting Mousse. I absolutely adored this product, and I was actually sad that it finished, but I really enjoyed using this product for my perm rod set and for my mousse wash and go. It really defined my curls and moisturized my curls, and it had a really good hold to it as well. And I also enjoyed the fact that it was an affordable mousse, so I definitely appreciate that about it. And the fact that it is an 8.5 fluid ounce bottle, you're getting a lot for your money in terms of a mousse, because I have seen affordable mousses in smaller containers. So I really appreciated this mousse. I would definitely recommend or repurchase this, definitely. And the last product that I have here is the Camille Rose Almond Joy Twisting Butter. I absolutely adored this product. I actually use the last of it in my hair right now, and I am going to do a braid out with it, so stay tuned for the video that is going to come afterwards, which is this braid out. But honestly, I really enjoyed using this product. I thought that it was going to be thick, but really and truly it really wasn't, and a little went a very long way. I really like the fact that it spread easily, and the fact that I was able to get not only definition but hold and longevity from this product, and also the fact that it worked very well for flat twists, regular twists, and I hope that it will work for braid outs, because I've seen it work for braid outs on other people's hair. So I really enjoyed using the Almond Joy Twisting Butter, although it was on the pricier side of products. I really enjoyed using this product, and I will definitely be repurchasing it. So thank you so much for watching this product empties video of 2023. And if you liked it, definitely leave a like, and if you want to see more content from me, definitely subscribe and turn on your post notifications so that you never miss an upload from me. And share this video with someone who is interested in trying a new natural hair product but would like a review on the product, a short review on the product before they try it out. Definitely send this video to them. And like I said, like this video and check out the videos that will pop up on your screen if you are interested in seeing more content from me. And I will see you in my next one. Bye.